Today we're at the Surf Jam. We're gonna do a little river cleanup and then we're gonna have a bit of a surfing jam with a contest. So we have three main principles at Ohio RSA. We advocate for the river safety, and we also advocate for river quality, cleaning up the rivers and talking about the importance of that. And then also we're trying to get more waves built in Ohio. We have over 1,200 low-head dams in Ohio that serve zero purpose, that are very dangerous. And dams like this can be turned into whitewater features for recreational use.
We have this beautiful land that Mother Nature gave us in this playground, and ORSA helps to preserve it, keep it safe, keep it clean, so that we can continue to play in it and have fun and bring the community together.
This is amazing here in Dayton, having this association. They host a lot of events to make sure the river stays clean, that we can have fun here while being safe. They give us a lot of education around how to stay safe in the river, wearing life jacket or helmets when surfing. And this is the first time in my life I get to live by a surf spot and have such a nice community around. And these people are what makes it possible. So this is amazing.
Thank you so much for Wagner Subaru. They are huge supporters of the outdoor community here. I just can't thank them enough. Year after year, they're always supporting different outdoor events and being great river stewards.
Wagner Subaru.
Love the experience.